سلامونه دوستانو مشهوره یوټیوبره کيري را سره د دمګړې دلته د سره به خبرې کوو د افغانستان ته لاړه وه افغانستان یې ولید پوښتنه به وکړو چې سفر یې څنګه و so thank you so much for giving us time so you're going to Afghanistan how did you find Afghanistan
I loved it from the minute I got off the plane I felt really welcome and I just had the best time seeing the most incredible scenery, meeting the most wonderful people and trying amazing food.
How was the hospitality there? How did you find the people? How they meet you?
The people were incredible. The hospitality was another level. I was really, really welcomed. I was made to feel welcome wherever I was and just treated really kindly. So yeah, I loved that side of it.
So you tried a lot of foods there. What's your best one?
Well, the kabli palau is obviously like just amazing, and the manto as well I really enjoyed. But of course, you guys like the ice cream and the shiriak. And I tell you, actually, the one thing I really enjoyed, which is a crazy thing to say. You right there, sir? You're looking very official in your Eid outfit. The thing I loved was in Herat. They did. It's called Char Fassel. Was the name of the ice cream place?
Yeah.
They did the most insane fruit smoothies. And I know that doesn't sound like the kind of thing that you're expecting, but I don't know what they put in it, cream or whatever. I have never tasted anything so delicious.
So do you have any plan to go again Afghanistan?
Well, there's a lot more for me to see. So, and I keep on, I was there for 8.5 days if you take away the travel. So I did Bamyan, I did Herat, I did Kabul and Kandahar. But so many people are like, you've got to come here and you've got to come here and Nuristan, all these places. So there is a Jalalabad. There's so many places I need to go. But I just saw as much as I could in my time. But obviously it would be lovely to go back.
One last question about the women in Afghanistan.
Yes.
Did you meet women there? How was the situation for women in Afghanistan?
So I met women in Bamyan. I met them in their homes. And it was really lovely to see them. I couldn't film them, although I filmed with them, but filming myself, not filming them. And it was good. I think that they have it hard right now. I met women who can't go out and work, and I know they're trying to feed their kids, and that was tough. So I met them and donated some coats as well for their kids and gave them some money. And I met a doctor in Kandahar just by chance, met a doctor in Kandahar. She at the minute is working, but she's working as a midwife, so she's not working as a doctor. And obviously she can save lives. So it would be really nice to think that you've got all this amazing talent there raring to go. And the honest answer is no, I didn't see women really out on the streets much at all.
Thank you so much for giving us time.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much guys. ډیره زیاته مننه تاسو نه خبرې مو کړې نو د دوی یوټیوب چینل ده هغه سبسکرایب کړئ د سره او ویډیوګانې د افغانستان په اړه پکې وګورئ